I got this too. It's a journal book. Actually, it's a guide on writing journal on a daily basis. I got a novel for parents. I got this Inside Your Body. There you go. You see? You can flip them up. Perfect. Here you go. Like that. Think it's A for everybody. It's for the entire member of the family. Nice. And this is $9.99. This one is $8.99. This one has no price, so I guess it's free. And general knowledge as well. Perfect for everyone. For entire member of the family. It's $12.99. And I got leaflets. This one is absolutely free. It doesn't cost anything. And I got a catalog. So I got second catalog. And I got an order form. It's free, I guess. Yeah, absolutely, it's free. This is free, the leaflet is free, but the catalog, it has a price, it's $2.50, and it comes with 3 catalogs. And I got Passport to Success. This is definitely a marketing guide for you. If you just want to take the opportunity of having 24% off with your English children books, or if you really want this as your principal job, everything is here for you to learn. Here you go. And I have the invoice here. And that's it, guys. And these are the books that I gave, worth of $48. Look at all of that. Look at all of that. That's quite a lot for $48 plus €12 of delivery fee it's €48 plus €12 of delivery fee. I paid €60 total to get all those books. That's worth of $139.